First sign of cracks between the DMK and the Congress, sulking over the arrest of Kannimozhi. DMK may skip celebrations to mark the second anniversary of UPA to government.
What is your problem? Please tell me. Why so much of people?
No, nothing, sir. Are you going to attend the UPA anniversary dinner meeting tomorrow?
Why you are asking this hypothetical question? What went wrong now as it is?
So you are attending.
What went wrong as it is? Please tell me.
So there are reports DMK is not going, sir. There are reports DMK is not going, sir.
It may be your wish, you know.
So you are attending. Are you attending, sir?
Is the DMK attending, sir?
Are you attending, sir?
Is the DMK attending tomorrow?
So is the DMK
And Prema is joining us from the capital, and Ram is also joining us from Chennai on the story. Prema, I'll come to you first. Indications that DMK may not attend that dinner today.
Well, exactly. Indications are that the DMK leaders are in no mood to attend the UPA's second anniversary celebrations. In fact, the celebrations are going to take place in Prime Minister Mr. Manmohan Singh's residence, where Sonia Gandhi, Manmohan Singh, senior cabinet ministers and senior leaders of the allied parties are going to be present in the celebrations that is going to take place this evening. But the DMK, though being the third largest constituent of the UPA, is expected to not take part in the anniversary celebrations. We've been talking to a lot of DMK leaders, and what the DMK leaders are telling us is that at this particular point in time, when Kannimozhi is languishing in jail, the DMK leaders do not want to be seen rejoicing and celebrating along with the Congress party leaders. So that is what the DMK leaders are telling us. Karunanidhi, the DMK chief, does not want any of his party leaders or any of the cabinet ministers, the DMK minister, to take part in the celebrations. But people like ministers like Azhagiri and Dayanidhi Maran, they have been telling Karunanidhi that at least one representative from the DMK party should be there in the celebrations as a token representation. Now, we are yet to see if this is really going to happen. But as of now, most of the DMK leaders not in a mood to take part in the anniversary celebrations. Back to you.
Stay with us, Prema. Ram, as far as the DMK is concerned, we saw the drama inside court yesterday, but we believe that all the ministers have flown to Chennai for an emergency meeting. When is that expected, and who's likely to attend that dinner today, if at all there is a representation?
Well, that definitely would be a last-minute decision, Niranjan. As of now, sources are indicating that the DMK is divided over whether to attend that dinner or not. There are some leaders who are very, very against any person from the DMK attending that dinner. In fact, Karunanidhi himself is on the defensive. He has defended his daughter Kannimozhi in his Mouthpiece magazine, and in a letter to his DMK party workers, and said it was him who forced Kannimozhi to join Kalaignar TV, and she did not join it herself. So they clearly are putting Kannimozhi and the image of the party and the family ahead of everything else at this point of time. But at the same time, some leaders who have the future of the party in mind, who have interest in Delhi in mind, leaders like Azhagiri and Dayanidhi Maran are kind of putting a pressure on Karunanidhi to send at least one representative to the Delhi dinner to soften any kind of cracks which may have emerged between the DMK and the Congress, and take this forward in a smoother manner. We believe that there would be a last-minute decision as to whether a representative would be sent, or would the DMK completely boycott the dinner party today, and also if Karunanidhi will fly to Delhi himself on Monday morning along with his son M.K. Azhagiri and meet Kannimozhi and other leaders there. Back to you.